Hey guys, so what I'm about to share with you right now has been such a huge unlock for our business, specifically our office side of our company. And what this does is it helps us automate and get estimates out for project-based visits quickly. What I used to do is I used to do all this on a piece of paper, and that's fine if you are a solo operator. But the name of the game, if you're going to grow your business, is how can I make everything scalable? How can I simplify everything to where somebody sitting in this office seat only has to click a few buttons instead of bouncing around trying to find prices and everything. This video, if you implement it, granted, I'm not going to show you all of our pricing on the back end, but if you can kind of use Chat GPT or whatever to figure out how to create this sheet, it would be a huge unlock for your business. I'm even inclined to sell something like this if you guys so need it. Just find the email in the description below and send me an email. So first off, what happens is our estimator right now is our general managers. We have two different locations, so two general managers. They will go out to a property and prepare an estimator form. Now, once that form is complete, it'll look something like this. So it gives us all of the information. Feel free to screenshot this so that way it can help you and help your estimators get all the information that you would need. This is done through a company called Jotform, and Jotform has been a tool for our business that I literally could not do without. I've gotten so accustomed and so used to Jotform. I don't know if I could run my business as effectively without it. So once we have all that information, I'll kind of just use this as an example and prepare this estimate. I see that this is for a flower bed cleanup, and this is going to be for our Georgetown location. And they said that the surface area square feet is 360. We think it's going to be 3.5 budgeted hours. Will there be a dumping fee? Yes. Is mulch required? Yes. Is weed barrier required? No. Is gravel required? No. Spray and preen? Yes. Metal edging? No. So on and so forth. Now, everything that is applicable is selected. The materials will pop up right here. So now when I'm preparing my estimate within whatever CRM you have, the visit notes, I will just look at this screen right here and say, okay, I need 30 bags of mulch and I need spray and preen. And then I know how many budgeted hours it'll take me. And that's all I need to put in for the visit notes. What's really cool about this form is it kicks out the pricing automatically. So all I need to do in my estimate is put down how many budgeted hours there's going to be, which only our crew can see that, the customer can't. And what our price to the customer will be pre-tax, pre-processing fees. And so that kicks it out that fast, and it can change. Like if we change our budget hours to 6, it changes. If our service area increases, it changes. If I need weed barrier, changes. Is gravel required? Yes. What type? We go based off of that type of gravel, and that pricing can change based on whatever type. Now, this is all tied into our pricing dashboard. Is metal edging required? If it needs, yes. What's our linear feet for our metal edging? Is metal edging required for the trees? Yes. How many tree rings? 4. Right. And is composite edging required? Yes. Linear feet, whatever that is. Right. So it kicks out pricing that fast. If you can implement this into your business, I mean, it'd be great if you were solo, but if you're growing your company to where you expect to have an office manager sitting in a seat, this is literally a game changer for your business. Now, hey, if you guys like content similar to this, please let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe because that motivates me to kind of push out more content. I'm making zero pennies off of YouTube, and I'm not really doing it for money. I'm doing it for you guys and kind of getting my brain out in a digital format for me to look back on in the future and also to help other small business owners get to where we're at. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys, and I appreciate you watching this video.